Hey guys, I just wanted to quickly go over everything we need to try and fix for Zek'voz going forward. So this is wipe 7 from Thursday night. Fast forward here to the roiling deceits. So we've got Tree, Cripsy and Diz. Dropping them out good. And we've got I-beam. In general, everyone's pretty well spread out except for Peaches, Diz, Vod, Fluster, probably a bit too close, Fallen. We've got the ad spawns. This spawn's lucky that it wasn't targeting these people on the outside, so Cripsy, Draz, Zyman, Insti, Rad. You all need to make sure you're getting in the center a bit earlier and baiting that. And ranged and healers, we need to make sure we're not getting that debuff. As you can see, Trebia gets it. It's just unnecessary damage that healers have to then heal you when they could be DPSing or focusing the tanks and melee that get it. Fast forward a bit. So we've got the Void Weavers roiling. So these roiling placements are pretty good. Ankar goes down the back. So this is on me. I'm the only healer in range of Ankar and I didn't spot heal him when he was dropping it out the back. So it's something I need to work on because he then dies during surging. The other big thing here to notice on this wipe is look at the positioning of everyone. So I'm over here, there's all this room around this ring here that's free. And it's during the surging with the I-beam too. So all these range that are clumped up here could be spread out around here. So it's something you'll need to work on. And fast forward a bit. So Fluster dies from a Void Bolt. So he dies when there's only one ad active and we have, 90% of the raid alive. That sort of thing's pretty annoying. Like someone could have easily interrupted that, so we need to make sure that's not happening. And then at that stage it's going to be a wipe. So we'll go to wipe 16. Fast forward to Roilings. Pretty good placement. So then again, the spread for the I-beams, Simon and Bert, you're too close together. Vod and Tree, you're too close together. Ankar and Diz, too close together. So we need to try and improve that. And we've got the ads. So this is really bad positioning for the ads. We've got Insti, Bert, Rad, Zyman, Draz, Crips, all on the outsides. Myself and Tree are also over here. I actually run over here so I can knock the ads back towards the center. And now we're going to have a whole bunch of the range get the debuff. So it's a lot of unnecessary damage. Healers wasting mana and taking the attention off other people. So we just need to improve on getting there quicker, and then once they're grouped in range, don't get that debuff. Fast forward Roilings, Debog drops it in a good spot. Simon and Diz. So Diz didn't get topped up. And Zyman was too low for too long too, so Diz was at half health and then he got the I-beam, so it killed him. Zyman got hit by a Void Bolt from the ad, so there's only one ad active at this stage. And Zyman gets killed because it wasn't interrupted. So once again, getting killed by basic stuff here, so if you can't interrupt, say, call out, someone interrupt. Now we've got the surging, so got a few people over this side now. This wipe 16 is a bit better. Got the I-beam. Everyone seems to be spread pretty good on this. Now Peaches dies because she gets hit by a Void Bolt. So the ads can only be CC'd for a minute. So when they come, it's (1 minute 30). And when Peaches dies, it's just under 2 minutes. So that ad still could have been CC'd. It's not because we're taking too long, it's because people are breaking it or not re-CCing and not interrupting. So we've got plenty of range interrupts too, so we need to watch out for that. Then it's going to be a wipe, too many dead at that point. But in general, the positioning looked a bit better on wipe 16 for that surging going into it. Got more people over here, sort of spread around. So that was a definite improvement. So if we just try and work on these things, so stacking up for the ads, spreading out a bit better, if we all try and heal the roilings a bit better, and then positioning for the surging with the I-beams, we should clean it up a bit better and might get a kill soon.